Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can erase your iPhone without computer, without passcode. So if you forgot your passcode of your iPhone, now you want to reset your iPhone. Let's get started the video. Let me show you everything step by step, that how you can erase your iPhone without passcode or computer, and how you can unlock the passcode of your iPhone. Before we start the video guys, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So the first step is you need another device in order to unlock this iPhone. So if you want to unlock the passcode or erase the iPhone, you need another device. It can be Android or iPhone. You can borrow from friend, or if you have another device, you can use that. So in my case, I have another iPhone of mine. So I'm going to use this iPhone to unlock this iPhone, right? So once you have another device, make sure that you are connected to the internet connection, Wi-Fi or cellular data. Then you can click on Safari browser and then search for iCloud.com. You have to go to this website. So once you're on this website, make sure that you have the Apple ID that was logged in on this device. So this is the same Apple ID that I was using on this iPhone. So if you use different Apple ID, it won't work. So make sure that you use the same Apple ID, same as on this iPhone. So once you have logged in with the same Apple ID, click on this menu and click on Find My. Then on the next page, you will see all of your devices. Now select the device that you want to restore and click on Erase iPhone and click on Continue. Then you have to enter your Apple ID and password, or you can continue with the passcode if you're logged in with the same Apple ID. So I'm going to continue with the iPhone passcode. You can enter the password of your Apple ID to confirm that you want to erase this iPhone, right? Then click on Next, click on Done, and in 5 seconds this iPhone will start erasing. Here we go. Click on OK and just look on this iPhone. And here we go. Now this iPhone is start erasing. Now you can click on Remove from account, so you don't have to enter the Apple ID again while you are doing the setup of your other iPhone. And click on Remove device. Now you don't need this device. Now just wait until this restore process is complete. So once you get this iPhone lock tuner, now you can swipe up and select your language, select your country, click on setup manually, click on continue and click on continue. Then on the next page, you have to connect your iPhone with the Wi-Fi, so you can do the setup. I'm going to speed up the setup so you don't have to wait. So here we go. Now as you can see, the iPhone has been restored without computer passcode. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel.